This is ACER Iconia M10, and today I'll show how you can transfer files on this device. So at the start, you will need to open whatever File Explorer app you prefer using. The default solution is Google Files, so that's precisely what I'll go with. Now scroll down and select the storage device you would like to transfer your files from. So I'll go with internal storage, for example. Then select the folder that your files are located in. So mine should be in the pictures folder. Screenshots, here they are. Now select all the files you would like to transfer and tap on those three dots at the top right. From here, you can either select Move To or Copy To option. The difference is that Move To will erase the files in the, from the original directory they were located in, while Copy To will simply copy them to whatever storage medium you would like to, and the original files will not be erased. So I'll go with Move To option, so select it. Now select where you would like to move them to, so to an SD card, for example. Now select the folder on the SD card you would like to place them to, so I'll go with, the theme, for example. And now you can either create a new folder and put those files there, or you can just move them into this particular folder by tapping at the Move Here button. And the files should have been successfully transferred, so let's open the SD card storage, go into the DCIM or DCIM folder, and here they are. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.